Starting off the first full week of 2025, Taiwan's semiconductor company, TSMC, saw its stock reach an all-time high around the 220 mark, increasing the company's market value to $892 billion. This rise can largely be attributed to gains in U.S. markets and interest in TSMC's higher-end 3nm and 5nm semiconductor processes due to sustained demand for artificial intelligence technologies, with the general analyst's attitude favoring this trend to continue this year, making TSMC a must-watch company in the semiconductor market. Then, in the used car sales market, Carvana has entered into an agreement with Ally Bank and Ally Financial to sell up to $4 billion in automotive finance receivables over a year from the date of the deal until the 2nd of January, 2026, extending and expanding an existing arrangement between the companies. The move is seen by some as a strategic effort by Carvana to enhance liquidity and support its operations and growth initiatives. However, not everyone has viewed the online auto retailer favorably, especially from last week. This is because Kaplan Fox and Kilsheimer LLP is investigating potential securities violations against Carvana following allegations made in a report by Hindenburg Research that the company's accounting practices and lax underwriting hid $800 million of loan sales to an undisclosed related party, leading to temporary reported income growth. The law firm is encouraging investors who have suffered losses to contact them for more information. Since the publication, Carvana's stock price has seen a steep drop, with the Hindenburg report claiming its research was based on a 4-month investigation involving industry experts and former employees, as well as an undisclosed SEC investigation by Disclosure Insight. On top of that, Carvana's CFO, Mark W. Jenkins, recently sold shares of the company's Class A common stock, totaling approximately $2 million. The shares were sold at prices ranging from $189.86 to $211.62 per share. He also exercised stock options to acquire 10,000 shares at a price of $10.07 per share on the same day. Interestingly, Carvana has seen a flurry of activity from various analyst firms following its record-breaking third quarter in 2024, with RBC Capital Markets reiterating their Carvana at sector perform rating despite recent short reports and JP Morgan reaffirming an overweight rating for the company. In other vehicle-related news, RIVN is still riding the high after its stock surged by over 24% after the company announced it had exceeded expectations for fourth-quarter deliveries, and a component shortage no longer limited its production. The electric vehicle maker delivered 14,183 vehicles during Q4, surpassing the projected 13,472 vehicles and marking its best quarterly delivery total in over a year. RIVN's full-year production was 49,476 vehicles, down about 13% from 2023, but above the revised forecast of 47,000 to 49,000 units. These improvements have charged up bullish optimism for a potentially larger rebound and recovery later this year following a sustained downtrend over the past few years. Then over to Palantir stock, which has risen by around 360% over the last year, and generally retains positive sentiment due to the company's position as a strong competitor in the AI software industry, revenue and margin growth, and a history of upward guidance revisions. Now on to electric aviation with ACHR Aviation, whose stock reached a 52-week high of $11.70, reflecting confidence in the urban air mobility company's business model and future prospects. Proponents also rally around the plan for production set to begin in early 2025 at its high-volume manufacturing facility. The roughly 400,000 square foot manufacturing facility, ARC, in Covington, Georgia, plans to start initial production in early 2025, with the goal of ramping to a rate of 2 aircraft per month by year-end. In partnership with Stellantis, ACHR aims to finalize an agreement for Stellantis to be its exclusive contract manufacturer for mass-producing ACHR's Midnight eVTOL aircraft at the facility, eventually scaling up production to 650 aircraft annually by 2030. For more on ACHR Aviation and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.